My name is Brianna Nahosa, and I am the manager of annual giving and stewardship. So Ronald McDonald House Charities of Oklahoma City, we provide a home away from home for families who have sick or injured children being cared for in one of Oklahoma's hospitals. People come and they can stay for a night, they stay for a week, some families stay longer, for months. And we provide them a safe and comforting place that they can be near their sick or injured child so they can be more involved in their care. We don't charge them anything, so they don't have anything else to worry about. They can focus on helping their child heal. This money will go towards helping those families have a comforting place to lay their heads, provide those meals that they need to get their energy for the day. It will also go towards helping our families. We also provide salon services for them at the house. We have a giant room that's filled with toys that they can come in and pick something out if their child's having a birthday and they don't have time to go shop. At Christmas time, we let them come in and shop for Christmas for all of the members of their family. So it goes to a good use. It provides a lot for our families. With COVID, us being located at the hospital, inside of the hospital, we've had to limit our families, the capacity that we've had to have, and it's hard to turn away families. We're slowly opening things back up. We're back up to 75% occupancy right now, and hopefully we'll have some of our guest chefs back in. They come in and prepare dinners for our families. We are just very thankful. We have a very supportive community. I feel like a lot of people understand what these families are going through. Nobody wants to be in that position where they have a sick or injured child, and I think a lot of people relate to that and can connect to our mission.